What's the meaning of ASA? ASA. ASA.
ASA. ASA. ASA is an acronym that could have various meanings depending on the context. In the medical field, ASA stands for acetylsalicylic acid, which is commonly known as aspirin and used as an analgesic and antipyretic medication. ASA may also refer to the American Standards Association, which is now known as the American National Standards Institute, ANSI. ASA can also be an abbreviation for the Accounting Standards Authority or the American Society of Anesthesiologists. Therefore, the meaning of ASA can vary depending on the industry and subject matter it is being used in.